Want to earn money online without creating your own product? In this video, I'll show you how to create an Amazon affiliate account step by step. By using this method, you can promote Amazon products and earn commissions easily. So let's get started. First, go to Google and search for Amazon.com. Then open the official website. Once you enter the home page, you will see the main interface. Since we don't have an account yet, scroll down to the bottom and click on Become an Affiliate. After that, you will be redirected to the Amazon Associates page. From here, click on Sign Up. Now click on Create your Amazon account. Enter your details, your name, email address, password, and confirm your password. Make sure to use your real information, then click on Create your Amazon account. Next, verify your email using the code sent to your inbox. After that, verify your phone number using OTP. Now your Amazon account is ready. After that, you will enter the Amazon Associates setup page. Here, fill in your details like your name, address, city, zip code, and phone number. Then, click. Next. In the next step, Amazon will ask how you will promote their products. Since we are using YouTube, go to your channel, copy your channel link, and paste it here. Then click Add Email and continue. Next, select your audience type. If your content is not specifically for kids under 13, select No. Now, create your Associate ID based on your channel or brand name. After that, answer a few simple questions about your content and traffic source, then click Finish. Congratulations! Your Amazon Associates account is now successfully created. You can skip the payment and tax information for now and complete it later when you start earning. Now your account is fully ready. Go to any product on Amazon, click on Get Link, and generate your affiliate link. You can now promote that link in your YouTube videos and start earning commissions. Now here's the important part. This method works, but only if you stay consistent and follow the right strategy. So if you want to learn more about making money online, affiliate marketing, and step-by-step tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like this video and turn on the notification bell, because I'm going to share more powerful videos like this very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.